Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the Google Chat from your Gmail app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Go ahead and install the Gmail and the Google Chat from the Play Store. Open Gmail, log into your account, and you can see the three lines on the top left hand side. After click it, scroll all the way down and click on Settings. Then you should select your Gmail account, and as you select it, what you need to do is scroll a bit down, and under the general option you will see chat. Go ahead and tap on Show the Chat tab over here, wait for a while and click on Next. Just click on Done and you can see this turn on or off option, so you can just go ahead and click on turn on or off according to your choice. And if you go to the chat section, which is over here, now you can access Google Chat using the Gmail itself. It is healthy, efficient and time efficient as well. So this is the only way how you can access the chats from Google Mail or Gmail. Go to the settings on the top left hand side, click on settings and then select your Gmail. Then scroll a bit down and find chat under general. If you don't want it, just go ahead and disable it, and as you can see that the chat menu will be deleted. But if you really want it, tap on the three lines on the top left hand side, scroll a bit down and go to settings. Then select your Gmail address, scroll a bit down and under general there is chat. Go ahead and tap on it, wait for a while and you can see your Google Chat menu over here right beside the mail menu. I hope this video about how you can enable Google Chat on your Gmail was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.